a lot of leaks and rumors videos before, but this is just something insane. Everything there is to know about the Google Pixel 3, like absolutely everything. And no, we haven't gone sleuthing. In fact, I've done almost zero work. It's all because Google literally told us. So yeah, in case you haven't picked up on it already, Google has actually leaked its own phone. That's right, Google has told us everything about the Google Pixel 3 weeks before the actual event where it's announced. In fact, if you look it up right now on YouTube, you can find people who have unboxed it, who have reviewed it, and who have used it hands-on. And Google hasn't even done much about it. So why would Google ever leak their own phone? Is it just to build up hype? No. In fact, it's actually quite the opposite. Let's take a few steps back. Google currently has two different design teams. Their own internal design team that's for Google and HTC. Each team designed one device, either the Google Pixel 3 or Google Pixel 3 XL. But the sales in the Google Pixel 2 last year were honestly pretty terrible, so Google needs to do something, and quick, to save the Google Pixel line. So what they need to do is fire one of those teams, either the HTC team or the Google internal team. So for continuity, they need to use just one design team. That way they can nail their next device next year, the Google Pixel 4. So what Google's essentially done is they've taken this year as kind of a transition year. They let the two design teams go and design the two devices, the Google Pixel 3 and Google Pixel 3 XL, and they're going to release them and see which design the public likes better. And at this point, it's pretty clear that whichever team made the Google Pixel 3 XL design, you know, the one with the giant notch, is going to get fired. But this still doesn't explain the burning question. Why would Google leak their own phones? Well, think about it. Why would Google wait until the very end of the year after their new phones have been announced to fire one of the design teams and get working on next year's phone? Instead, what Google's done is they've actually leaked this phone on purpose. That's right, all this controversy built up on the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL leaks is exactly what Google wanted. For months now, the public has known everything there is to know about the Google Pixel 3 and Google Pixel 3 XL, which is perfect. At this point, I'm sure one of the teams has already been fired and they've gotten working on the Google Pixel 4. Meaning, because they already have that one started, they're going to have extra time to work on it and they can really hit that device out of the park next year. It almost feels like the entire reason for the release of the Google Pixel 3 at all is just to see which design the public likes better, and it's clear what they do. So yeah, the event is in October where they are going to be announcing the phones, and they still will come out, but I'm sure the sales will be minimal. So in summary, Google's leaked the Pixel 3's two designs to see which design the public likes better, and it's clear which one we do. So now they're going to take that team that designed that device and use them to design next year's Google Pixel 4, and because they leaked it before the release of the Google Pixel 3, they're going to have more time to do that and be better prepared for next year. And despite all that, they still have to go through with releasing the Google Pixel 3, which is why it's going to be pretty lame. And all I can say is, thanks Google. That's actually kind of nice. They're listening to the public's opinion so they can make the best phone they possibly can next year. As far as the Google Pixel 3 for this year though, you can just kind of expect a normal Android phone. You know, Snapdragon 845, a good camera, and a nice screen. It's not going to be anything revolutionary, but hopefully next year we'll see some sort of like holographic display. Who knows? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below of the Google Pixel 3 being leaked by Google on purpose months before their event. It's really something insane and a ruthless business strategy on Google's part. Also, I know I haven't been uploading much lately. I've been super busy, but soon I will be back to uploading consistently. Want to see the iPhone XS Max unboxed? Right here, click over here, or you can learn about the downfall of GoPro if you're interested in this kind of economic stuff. So that's all I've got. I'm Jack. Peace out.